All right, so third on the list is, while we're on the topic of measurement and analytics, KPIs and tying the KPIs for your patient-centricity initiatives back to business objectives is something that is really critical to drive continued success. So one of the key reasons that we see these initiatives fail to get continued investment is that they just don't connect it in any way to the business, right? And it can't just be about altruism, right? It has to be linked to what you're doing. So let's ask another quiz question. Are your organization's KPIs connected to patient experience or outcomes? Yes, definitely. Working on it. We're not there yet. All right. So Peter Drucker that actually said if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So I see a lot of organizations that don't necessarily have clear measures in place to know when they're doing better at patient centricity. And it's really, really hard to focus on getting better at it if you don't know when you're doing that. So I did want to show an example from AbbVie of an organization that was able to clearly link investments in patient-centric programs, the Humira patient support program that you may be familiar with, to business impact, but also other outcomes. So they released this study in August of last year. You can look it up on JMCP if you're interested in the details. But some of the key sort of endpoints in this study were that they decreased discontinuation by 14%. They increased adherence by a similar amount. And then maybe more importantly, they were also able to demonstrate that the disease-related cost of care for these patients that were in their program dropped by 22%. So they met the patient's needs through the services and solutions. They met some business needs through increasing adherence to the product. And they met their payers' needs by decreasing the cost of care for the patients that were enrolled in this program. So really able to show that kind of full circle win-win-win solution. So let's see how we did. Not there yet in KPIs and connecting them to patient experience. It's great to see that there are a lot of folks in the audience actually that are definitely there. That's sort of 20%. I think that's great, and that there are a lot of people working on it. This to me is one of the key things that can help patient centricity be sustainable in your organization when you can demonstrate that it connects to business outcomes.